Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and we're going to be Dinan badging my BMW X3 today, and you can too, but let me show you how. All right, y'all, so this is going to be a really simple, straightforward video today. Just the last two pieces of my Dinan journey here on my BMW X3 M40. Now, if you're not familiar with Dinan, they are a fantastic aftermarket company that makes all kinds of different components for BMWs and others. But if you have enough points, different products that go into your car, you can earn a Dinan badge. Now, I've been a huge fan of the brand since I was a little kid, and I'm not kidding. So to be able to Dinan badge my car today is I'm just super excited about. So we're going to do two last pieces. We're going to do the vanity cover underneath the engine, which is going to be about a 10-second project for me to show. And then we're going to Dinan badge the trunk. And again, it's not bad because it'll actually show you how you could do this yourself. But we just want to finish this out, and I hope you've seen the rest of the Dinan experience package that's gone into my X3, because this really is that last piece, that crown jewel. All right, so let's jump under the hood, let's change our vanity cover, and then we're going to put the Dinan badge on the trunk. All right, guys, changing your vanity cover is really simpler. We're going to be moving to the Dinan carbon fiber to match all the rest of the carbon fiber in the engine bay, especially the Dinan carbon fiber intake. You just pull and lift your vanity cover off, and you're going to flip it over. And if you'll notice, now I've pulled one out already, there are these little rubber like grommets that basically go into the feet. 1, 2, 3, 4. What you're going to want to do is just take them and just pull them out and just be gentle and transfer them to the new cover. Let me just do one right now. Flips around nice and easy. They just have a very matching setup right here. And you're just going to take it and you're going to press it into the new cover. So just work it in nice and slowly. Go ahead and transfer all 4, and then we're going to put the new cover in place. All right, so with the rubber feet transferred, just take it, slide it back into place. Got those little rubber grommets on, just 1, 2, 3, 4. Pops right into place, looks really, really nice. And it ties into my airbox, and too bad it covers my new Dinan coils, because they look fantastic. But I love the way that looks. It's an aesthetic upgrade. That's all right, I like it. It ties into everything else, and it's just part of the project going into this car. All right, let's spin around. Let's take a look at what's going on with the badge on the trunk. All right, guys, so the rear badge on the X3 is not quite as clear on where it could be. I've seen different options. I've seen where folks have taken off the M40. I've seen where people have taken off the X3. But in my case, I want to keep both of those, so I'm going to slot it right next to the M40. Now, the other thing you want to be really careful with, of course, is make sure that your surface is clean so this sticks down really well. And I've taken some painter tape to use as guides. I've got 2 pieces right now holding it in place so I can get my alignment right. I can make sure it's angled properly. But then I also have some tape to help me guide the actual transfer itself. So when I stick it down, I know that I want the lead edge right here and I want the bottom edge right here, and that should get me nice and straight. Because when you do this, I peel this up, this is a 2-layer technique. You want to peel the back off and use the front side to help you line it back up to be exactly where you want it to be. And so it's nice and straight. So I like using painter's tape to use as guides so I can get everything about it just exactly right. So when I take this off, I'm going to peel this off. I'm going to do this real time. So I'm going to very carefully peel the back off like that. Okay, so then I come back up here and I'm going to use my guides. So there's that front edge, there's that back edge right there, just like that. And I can take a little bit and just adhere down just a little bit on the corners to make sure that it's exactly where I want it to be, just like that. So then I just press down in place to get the letters to go into place. They go in a nice good spacing. I've got good spacing between the N and the N and my paints and my M color stripes. So then I'll just get this and just roll it on really nicely. Make sure those letters adhere down really nicely. It's a little bit colder than I normally would put this on right now, but I want to get this done. So I'm just going to take my time and make sure that everything sticks down really, really well. And it should look good. And step back here. It's a good angle. Let me take you with me. Take a look at it. Yeah. It's a good angle. It's straight with the rest of the letters. The spacing is good. I like that. I think that looks good. Looks really, really good. All right, so then, once you make sure everything is put down really nicely, go and just press on the letters, get it set. All you need to do is just take the top layer, just very gently peel off. Just like that. And the journey of earning a Dinan badge for the X3 is done. Yeah, that looks really good. Let me show you my angle. Yeah, I like that a lot. Spacing is good, alignment's good, and it looks fantastic. Yeah, I'm a big fan of Dinan, if you couldn't tell. So this is the last piece of the Dinan experience package here for the X3. You never know if other things might come up, but I really like it, and this has been a fun journey. All right, y'all, all done, and I hope you've checked out all the other pieces of this series. This has been such a fun journey working with Dinan and taking my what used to be bone stock BMW X3 M40 and really making it into a custom build, adding all these additional features, and it's been so much fun. I am really grateful to Dinan. Make sure to check out the rest of the series and all the things you could be doing to your car as well with Dinan components. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe. I would really appreciate it. It makes a huge difference to my channel. Thank you, and I'll see you on my next video.